Guys, don't sleep on this. If you've been stuck, no degree, no connections, no big money to travel, this might be your biggest opportunity in 2026. I'm talking about Finland. One of the safest countries in the world. High salaries. Work-life balance. And guess what? They are actively hiring foreigners. And in this video, I'll break down how you can get these jobs. Let's get into it. Finland is opening doors to foreign workers. Because their economy depends on it. Industries are literally slowing down because they don't have staff. Think about that. Hotels need cleaners. Hospitals need caregivers. Farms need workers. Tech companies need support staff. This is not hype. This is demand. And when a country needs workers, visa approvals become easier. Opportunities increase. Competition drops. That's your window. Here are 5 sectors you should focus on right now. 1. Cleaning and facility jobs. Salary, 1,800 to 2,500 euros per month. No degree needed. Basic English is enough in some cases. 2. Caregivers and support workers. Salary, 2,200 to 3,000 euros per month. High demand. Massive shortage. Some roles may require short training, but not always a full degree. 3. Construction workers. Salary, 2,500 to 3,500 euros per month. If you have any hands-on experience, this is gold. 4. Warehouse and logistics jobs. Salary, 2,000 to 2,800 euros per month. No degree. Entry-level friendly. 5. Hospitality, hotels and restaurants. Salary, 1,800 to 2,600 euros per month. Perfect for beginners. Guys, these are real numbers. And remember, Finland has strong labor laws. You get paid on time. You get benefits. This is not survival. This is stability. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Prepare your CV, European format. Keep it clean. Simple. 1 to 2 pages max. Focus on skills, not grammar perfection. Add experience, even in formal work. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Use official platforms. Work in Finland. TE Services. Yours Portal. Apply daily. This is a numbers game. Step 3. Attend interviews. Most interviews are online. Be confident. Be honest. Show willingness to work. Step 4. Get your job contract. Once you're hired, you'll receive a contract. This is your golden ticket. Step 5. Apply for residence permit, work visa. Go to Enter Finland, enterfinland.fi. Submit. Job contract. Passport. Application form. Step 6. Visit embassy for biometrics. This is just verification. Step 7. Wait for approval. Processing can take weeks. Once approved, you move to Finland. Start working. Start earning. No agent needed. Save your money. Guys, this is your moment. Opportunities like this don't stay open forever. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment right now. Tell me your country, the job sector you're targeting. I'll guide you. And if this opened your eyes even a little, hit the like button. Subscribe for more strategic immigration content. Because we don't guess. We move smart. See you in the next video.